Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full-time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. After leaving the swamps of Louisiana, we continued west along I-10 into the second largest U.S. state behind Alaska, the Lone Star State, Texas. Our first stop is along the Gulf Coast outside of Houston, the Bolivar Peninsula. What a great place to camp for free and enjoy the beach. Next stop, the fourth largest city in Texas, Austin. We stayed here for quite a while and actually had some friends fly out to visit us. This is a fun city full of life, great food, and plenty to do. Right in Austin is the Barton Creek area, and we had some fun rock climbing here. West of Austin is our number 3 Pace Bend Park. We didn't shoot much here because we were enjoying time with friends, but it's a great spot to enjoy the outdoors outside of the city. Number 4 was a completely random stop to work for the day at Lyndon B. Johnson State Park near Stonewall, Texas. We saw loads of deer here and really enjoyed our time in the visitor center, learning about the upbringing of Lyndon B. Johnson here in the hill country of Texas and all that was accomplished while he was in office. Number 5, Schreiner Park in Junction, Texas. This is a great stop as you move through Texas along I-10. We enjoyed a Sunday fun day here, camping on the water for free, flying the drone, playing on the disc golf course, swimming, and enjoying the sunshine. Number 6, and the highlight of our time in Texas, Big Bend National Park. We spent 3 nights in the area exploring as much as possible. We also made a 10-minute travel guide video all about our time here, and we had a blast. Check that out right up here. This brings us to our number 7, the Ocotillos Village in Terlingua. We stayed here on our last night in the Big Bend area and it was excellent. These stargazers are so cool and allow you to get close to nature while still enjoying some luxuries of home. Heading north, we have our number 8, Fort Davis. We spent some time exploring the Fort Davis National Historic Site before an awesome drive and peaceful night of free camping in the Davis Mountains. The next morning, we learned about a new animal to us, Barbary sheep. If you look closely, you'll see a coyote chasing them, probably after their babies. All right, guys, last on the list, we have number 9, Guadalupe Mountains National Park. The highest point in all of Texas is Guadalupe Peak, which rises to 8,749 feet above sea level. This rugged Chihuahuan desert landscape makes for some intense hiking, and this place is home to a lot of wildlife. I decided to take you guys with me on the hike to Hunter Peak. Going about 10 miles and about, I think, 2,900 feet. I believe, well, it's Hunter Peak, and I'm assuming that's it. And my goal is to keep most of the devices away for today and just really enjoy the hike. All right, it's been a little over an hour. I'm hiking at about 2 miles an hour. The birds are just singing away. I saw a couple of deer, and man, it's pretty wicked out here. I have not seen another Homo sapien. Ready to check out these boulders here, like mountain lions, bobcats, badgers. There's ringtail. There are weasels. Apparently there's a few elk in these mountains. So there's like, I think it was 58 species of mammals in Guadalupe, which is insane. So a lot of times I think, how many times did an animal see or hear me and I didn't? I'll show you the GoPro angle in a second. We're way up here. There's the road that goes south down to Van Horn. So there's our RV. Oh my gosh, is that Jenna? No way. That could be Jenna, because she just walked by the RV, is going towards the sign. Chance at the sign outside the RV?
Yeah.
No way, like the trail sign. So
Dude, I haven't gotten out of bed this whole day.
that's kind of what I figured, and I just am doing a video. So let me go back over to where I just was with the zoom lens, and I'll show that same perspective from this wide angle lens. We're standing right here, so that same parking lot where Jenna is down there, wicked far, and then Guadalupe, that trail all the way zigzaggy, zigzaggy, zigzaggy up to there. Insane views. So, oh, another bird down there. It's kind of like overwhelming to think I have to get back down there a completely different route. I don't think I'm technically even halfway done as far as mileage goes. Wow, that was a heck of a hike. That's a wrap, guys, on Guadalupe Mountains National Park and on the Texas video. So definitely a really cool state, a huge state with a lot of diversity, a lot of cool landscapes and places to visit. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please like the video, leave a comment if you have one, and please subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you next week. See ya.